Hi friends, welcome to AZ-500 Part 2 Real-Time Practice Questions and Answers.
Question number 11. You have inherited an Azure environment which has plenty of resource groups. You have been tasked to manage access policies and complaints for the subscriptions in an efficient manner. Solution. You decide to make use of RBAC. Does this solution meet the goal? Option A true, option B false. The correct option is option A true. Question number 12. You need to limit outbound HTTPS traffic to specify fully qualified domain names (FQDN). Which of the following technologies support this? Option A. Network Security Groups (NSG). Option B. Application Security Groups (ASG). Option C. Azure Firewall. Option D. Just-in-time VM access (JIT VM access). And the correct answer is option C. Azure Firewall. Question number 13. You need to configure temporary access to an Azure VM on port 22. The solution should manage the inbound rules automatically in the backend and remove the rules when the time period expires. Which of the following technologies should you configure? Option A. Network Security Group (NSG). Option B. Application Security Groups (ASG). Option C. Azure Firewall. Option D. Just-in-time VM access. And the correct answer is option D, just-in-time VM access. Question number 14. You are in the process of creating an Azure Container Registry via CLI in the MyRG resource group. Complete the following command to create the container registry labeled mycontainer.1. AZ-1 create resource group. MyRG number 2 mycontainer.1 number 3 basic. And the option A is 1 equal to ACR, 2 equal to name, 3 equal to SKU. Option B 1 equal to AKR, option 2 equal to ID, 3 equal to tire. Option C 1 equal to Docker, 2 equal to name, 3 equal to tire. Option D 1 equal to ACR, 2 equal to ID, 3 equal to SKU. And the correct answer is option A 1 equal to ACR, 2 equal to name, 3 equal to SKU. Question number 15. You plan to secure remote access from your on-premises network to your AKS cluster which is deployed to an existing Azure VNet. The solution should have the lowest possible latency and a very high network speeds. Solution. You implement a site-to-site VPN solution. Does this solution meet the goal? Option A true, option B false. And the correct answer is option B false. Question number 16. What Azure resource is created when an Azure Security Center playbook is created? Option A. Azure Logic App. Option B. Azure Function. Option C. Microsoft Flow. Option D. Azure Log Analytics Workspace. Option E. Azure Playbook. Option F. Azure Runbook. And the correct answer is option A. Azure Logic App. Question number 17. What Azure feature ensures that data residency, sovereignty, compliance, and resiliency requirements are honored? Option A. Azure Geography. Option B. Azure Region. Option C. Azure Resource Group. Option D. Azure Tenant. Option E. Azure Trust Center. And the correct answer is option A. Azure Geography. Question number 18. In data classification, which of the following data ownership roles are given no permissions to use the data? Choose two. Option A owner, option B user, option C administrator, option D custody. The answers are option A owner, option D custodian. Question number 19. Which of the following elements are not included in a data retention policy? Option A. Data recovery rules. Option B. Data disposal rules. Option C. Regulatory requirements. Option D. Corporate requirements. Option E. Data retention periods per classification level. Option F. Data security measures. And the correct answer is option F, data security measures. Question number 20. Which of the following are valid access control options for storage accounts? Choose 3. Option A, access key. Option B, shared access key. Option C, role-based access control. Option D, service key. Option E, shared access signature. And the answers are option A, access key. Option C, role-based access control. Option E, shared access signature.